Good morning, children. Let us today make a scarecrow. For this, we need a bangle to make a circle. You can ask for anything round. You can ask your mama for help. Now I am drawing a circle with this bangle. Here is our circle. You know what a scarecrow is? They put a human-like structure in the fields to scare away the birds. Okay, now I am going to draw a line like this. Okay, you can use a scale. And now what I am going to do is I will draw a line here and this and this. You can easily do it. Okay, and now I am going to make a curve. Okay, I don't need these lines, so I am going to remove. Okay, it is done, and now I am going to draw the body. Watch it very carefully. For his shoulders and just draw a little longer. These are his arms. He is stretching his arms. Okay, and okay, two vertical lines, standing lines, and now this and this. It's very easy. You will find it very easy. And okay, so this is his body. Again, I don't need this line, and I am going to erase it. This is his arms. Okay, and now we are going to color it. And before coloring it, let us make sky. Very light. I am drawing a line, but it is very light. Now this is our sky, and we are going to draw big clouds on. Okay. Now let us color it. Now we are going to color this portion with brown. But before we start coloring, let us make the eyes. Big round eyes. Okay. Now we can color it. I am going to fill this with brown, light brown. Okay. I am going to leave the eyes as it is. I won't fill in the eyes. I will color the rest of the area. Fill it properly, and now I am going to fill white in the eyes. Now we are going to color this area and this with dark brown. These are poles. He has poles for his hands. Only this much. And here. Now I am going to color his hands with chrome yellow. Now I am going to color his dress first with blue, and watch it very carefully how I am coloring it. Very light. Do it just like that. Now you see, and now I am going to color with pink in the same style but in just the opposite direction. Okay, so it is done. So this is for his dress. Give it a little finishing on the edges. Now it is done. Now this is the sky and there are two clouds. I am going to color the sky with light blue, but I am not going to fill the clouds, only the sky. You see how I am doing? I am just leaving the clouds and coloring only the sky. Okay, now sky has been colored and there are lots of white spaces, blank spaces. Okay, we will later fill it with white, smudge it with white. But first we are going to fill the clouds with white and do it properly on the edges. You see how I am doing? Do it properly on edges and then fill it with circular motion of your fingers. Same with the other cloud. Now cover the sky with white. The whole sky. Where you will see the white blends with blue. Okay, do it properly. You can use your fingers or a tissue paper to smudge it. Okay, smudge them lightly, a little bit only. Smudge properly at the edges. Okay, it is done. Now I am going to color the field. First I am going to use sap green. Now watch it very colorfully how I am coloring it. Actually I am not coloring it. What I am doing? I am simply drawing some standing lines. You know what standing lines are? Okay, just like that. Now I am going to repeat same action with light blue below it. It is easy and you can do it very easily. Cops are not visible, they are behind the scarecrow. So do this area very carefully. Again I am going to do it sap green. Same action, standing lines. This time I am going to draw them on the poles as well. Okay, and again with light green. Just standing lines. Now I am going to do the same action here, here, here and here with chrome yellow. They are whites as you can see, especially in the whites. I will do it everywhere but especially on the whites and one by one. First I will complete this line, then I will go for this line and so on. Ready? Here it is. Now on the light green line I am doing the same action, especially filling the whites. crops are done. I am again taking this light blue and on its hands, just on the lower side. Okay, and it is done. Now again I am going to pick my pencil for more details, like for the eyes, outline them with pencil. Okay, and a scary mouth. Okay, outline it here as well. Outline it very dark here and here. Okay, here as well. It is done. And similarly, I am going to outline all the way. I have outlined this, the pot for his head, his hands, and the dress. And now I am going to draw 3 circles on his dress. These are for 3 buttons. You can color them with black or any color. I am going to color them with blue. Okay. Now his hands are made of hay. How to make some hay? Watch it very carefully how I am doing it. I am just drawing some lines. And again, like this, crossing them. You see? Now watch it very carefully on this hand. Like this and this. And it is all done. So children, this is our scarecrow standing alone in the fields and protecting the crops, scaring away the birds. Enjoy drawing it. Stay in and stay safe. Bye.